Don't compare your start to someone else's end. Now, everyone starts at zero. This is what I tell people when they feel discouraged or defeated. Maybe you're at square one and overwhelmed by the information you need to learn and the technical stuff you need to set up to start your credit business. Or maybe you're past square one, but you can't get past a business plateau no matter how hard you try. Everyone experiences this at some point. Now, before I forget, my name is Dominique Brown, the owner and creator of the 30-Day CRA program, and I help people just like you grow profitable credit repair companies so you can have time freedom, financial freedom, and the location freedom that you deserve. And I do this by showing you how to get more leads, more sales, and better results. Now, if you compare your start to other people who've been around for years in this game, you are bound to feel bad about your progress. Embrace the start of the journey and value the process. Don't be afraid to start now as you are with what you have. That's what a student in my 30-Day CRA program, Terrell, did. He started at zero. That's no money, zero clients. But within 3 months of getting set up, he was at around 50 active clients. That's an average of 16 clients per month. Not bad. However, last month, Terrell has gotten 37 new signups and about $7,000 in new signup income. And guess what? In total, his business brings in over $60,000 per month in recurring revenue now. Now, what did he do? He got focused and followed the blueprint of the 30-Day CRA coaching program. But what if Terrell had been scared to start at zero? He'd be living a little differently right now. Without taking the steps to get his first 1, 10, 50, or 100 clients, he wouldn't be sitting at nearly 1,000 active clients, bringing in someone's yearly salary each month. More importantly, he wouldn't be changing the lives of his community and helping people reach their goals. Remember, Wakanda wasn't built in a day. Neither was my business and neither will your business. But if you're willing to invest an hour of your time a day, in less than a year, I'm willing to bet you'll be very close to the business of your dreams. More of the story, you have to start and stick with it. Trust me, it's worth it in the end. Oh, by the way, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and check out the description below this video. We have updated links to our best programs and offerings that can help you reach your goals faster. We look forward to helping you reach your goals, and we can't wait to talk to you in the next video.